We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is brought to you by Facility Security Services. Mfowethu,
kunjani bhuti wami?
sikhona Kaizer Chiefs 1.
Ya ish, awujami.
Amalo Sundowns 1.
Awujami yes angoyiphi ngathi ngutangidliwanga awujami.
Yeah.
Lapha bese home supposed to win, you're supposed to win a game each and every time.
Yeah.
Each and every time awujami kuthiwa so respect Sundowns to me. I don't sense, to me it's not making sense.
Yeah.
Number 2 enye into abayenza awujami.
Yeah.
Uphiri uyamkhipha for in because uphiri
silungise kuqala hayi uphiri phili
yeah phili yes uyayikhipha understand understand uyamkhipha awumkhipha awujami awunasho ukuthi unofaka abantu lengwenya awujami le game kubona besidlala ukuthi sibesi attacker suppose kwile le game maybe 2-2 no 3-3 le game le ya namhlanje awuyami understand enye into esine problem ngama left back because alimele wonke awujami kusho ukuthi ufaka umoto afake lama center back because ebebaleka ispeed ukule A1 bengayibhita mema mayifaka umigweli problem izaba yini umoto ukuthi ahlale laphana he was fine ngeke mema sabantu ukuthi akaphume was fine because bebefuna ipace because la side lakho futhi belifanisha because kunomdawu kulela side ukuthi afunction understand enye into okuyana ye special ugache naye umthetho which is Willing Jungati besinida number 10 alibana ufake umduma ikhipha uBatman enye into bhuti umuntu obuye wasibulala today noma bengekho uDa Silva lamanje sengihlezi ngimkhumbula the moment yes ngihlezi ngimkhumbula ubona akhona amanye amabhola bengena eboxini ungabi nomuntu each and every time ngihlezi akhona understand bengihlezi ngimkhumbula but kumele kusuka from here silwela igame silwela ukuwina igame elandelayo ya injalo awujami okunye silwela awujami kuya top 4 top 3 enye nenye into eliga awujami yayenza abantu bekhuluma into ezenzekelayo
inzima
but yona mara into ezenzekelayo makumele indlela ibe ngiyakuthi uyaywina akunamuntu ongakuthiba but khona thina sifight leni game sibone ukuya phambili kuyenzakalani. Ngiyabonga bhuti wami.
Siyabonga mfowethu.